Hello everyone, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You are able to hear me? We have Zen. Then we have
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. Then we have Arghya. We have
Good
Nikita.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Swarali, Saksham.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Then we have
Good afternoon, sir.
Pujit, Tanishka. Good afternoon. Shlok, Tapan, M1, M2, Mudit and Maitreya. Who else? Good afternoon. Then we have Suki. Good. Welcome, guys. Today, day number 4. Okay? Day number 4. First, talk about yesterday's homework.
Yes, sir.
Divisibility rules. Absolutely clear, everyone. Divisibility rules.
Yes, sir.
Let's check the homework.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Good. Divisibility
Yes,
rules.
sir.
These were the questions. You have to check. Division by 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, 11.
So, I'll show you the answer. So, what you have to do is, if you are exactly right, give yourself 10 marks. Otherwise, if you got only 1 or 2, go partial marks, depending upon how much you write. I'm muting
Okay, sir.
everyone. And then post your marks.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Post your marks then. And then ask me it out before we move on to this. M1, M2, 10 on 10. Who's 10 on 10? Maitreya or Mudit or both? Both. Okay, good. Congrats. Superb. You know, these DVD rules will be useful so much for all your higher classes as well as competitive exams. Arghya 10 on 10, Tapan 10 on 10. Good. Very good. Tanishka 10 on 10. Good. Okay. Suki got 10 on 10. Good, Suki. Shlok, your marks. Saksham. Everybody should put it. Pujit. Zen got 8. Okay, Zen. Swarali, any question? Okay, you raised hand by mistake. Okay. Anybody, any question? Everybody done with the marks? Pujit got 10 on 10. Swarali got 8 on 10. Zen got 8 on 10. Okay. Zen, Swarali, any doubts? Nithila 9 on 10. Nithila, any doubt? Why one question went wrong, Nithila? Which one?
Sir, I did the which one? I did this the third question answer.
Why?
That I put for 8 also yes, so it
Okay.
went wrong.
Okay. What about Zen? Which two question went wrong, Zen? Mansi 10 on 10, Asta 10 on 10, good. Saksham did only 8 question. Saksham, why did 8 only? Why not all 10? First you tell me, Zen, which two went wrong?
Sir, for me, the third one and the 10th one, sir.
Why? Concept problem or missed?
Yes, sir.
Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anybody, any doubt? Saksham, why you did 8 only? Is it confusion or any other reason? Saksham. Unmute, yes.
So I didn't get time for it.
Okay. So everybody ready? BIO, bring it on today's topic. Then read BIO. Otherwise, ask me any doubt, any question. Today we are starting a new topic. Very important for all of you. All of you, when you are in school, very important. Correct. So this elementary 2 syllabus is new syllabus. That's why you are learning this topic first time today. We'll talk about prime numbers, composite numbers. We'll do this topic in 2 parts, okay? Today and tomorrow. Prime number, composite numbers, prime, shortcut to find prime, then factorization, then square roots, cube roots, then how to check perfect square, how to check perfect cube. This will cover not today. Today and tomorrow, this topic will divide into 2 parts. Today we'll do half, tomorrow half, okay? We will learn this many things. This will clear you all your concept of different type of number, factors, square roots, cube roots, normal ways and all, okay? So let's start first with this. So we'll do today half, tomorrow half. That's the plan. Now, first of all, what is a prime number then?
Sir, prime numbers are numbers which have like only one factor. One and the number itself.
Okay. Nithila, what is a prime number? Yes, Nithila.
Prime numbers or numbers
Which is prime. Any idea? No problem. Mudit, what's your definition?
Sir, prime numbers are numbers which only have two things that can multiply up to 2 only, like 1 and the number itself.
Okay. Saksham, how you define?
Sir, the numbers which have only 2 factors are
Numbers
called
which have
prime
only 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors, is it?
Yes.
Like?
The number itself and 1.
Kanishka, what do you say?
So prime number means the number which gets divisible by itself only, not by another number.
Numbers. Thank you, Tanishka. So everybody of you are right. Numbers which are divisible. Listen carefully. Numbers which are divisible by itself and 1 only. Those numbers which are divisible by itself and 1 only are known as prime number. For example, if I say 5, 5 you can divide with 5 or 5 you can divide with 1, nothing else. So 5 is a prime number. 3. 5 can divide by 1, 5 can divided by 3. So 3 is a prime number. As I said, 5 is a prime number. If I say 10, see 10 can be divided by 1, 10 can be divided by 2, 10 can be divided by 5, 10 can be divided by 10. Is 10 a prime number? No. Because 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5, 10. So 10 is not a prime number. Everybody write on the chat. Everybody write on chat. Which is smallest prime number? Write on chat, everybody. Which is smallest prime number? People are saying 2. What about 1? Is 1 a prime number or not? Is 1 a prime number or not? Swarli says yes. What others? Suki says yes. What others? As of now, I am not asking about composite. First, is 1 a prime number? Yes or no? Tanishka says yes. If it is yes, then why you said smallest prime number is 2? Why not 1? One is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is special number. I'll explain you why in a moment. 1 is not a prime number. The number should have at least 2 factors. Itself and 1. 1 has only one factor, 1 only. Itself and 1 are same. That's why we don't count 2 factors, only 1 factor. Right, Maitreya? 1 is not a prime number. Tarishka, 1 is not a prime number. Swarali, 1 is not a prime number. 1 is only one factor, 1. We need at least 2 factors, at most 2 factors, both. 1 is a special number. Next, we'll come to this more. What is a composite number? What is a composite number? Shlok?
Yes, sir.
What is a composite number? Any idea?
No, sir.
No problem. Suki, what is a composite number?
Sir, composite number is a number which has more than 2 factors.
Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors, more than itself and. Give me example, Suki.
Sir, for example, 9, sir.
9. 9 can be divided by 1, 9 can be divided by 3, 9 can be divided by 9. So 9 is not a prime number because it has more than 2 factors. 9 is divisible by itself, but 9 is also divisible by 3. So 9 is not a prime number, 9 is a composite number. Good, Suki. Shlok, you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
Say.
Sir, I think I once learned it, but I forgot it.
No problem. You're saying something more?
Yes, sir. What did you say, sir?
I'm saying no problem. You understood composite number, right? You
Sir,
understood?
I heard you when you explained composite number.
Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors or which have factors other than itself and 1. So 9. 9 can be divisible by 3 also, right?
Yes.
So 9 is a composite number. Okay? Or composite numbers are those numbers which are not prime except 1. Is it clear, everybody? What is composite number? Tell me. Is 1. Okay, which is the smallest composite number? Right, everybody? On chat. The smallest composite number, right on chat. Four is the smallest composite number. Correct. But what about 1? Is 1 a composite number or no? Argya, you have a doubt? Is 1 a composite number? No. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite, as Zain said earlier, right? 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. 1 is a special number. So, composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. 1 is not a composite number. No. 1 is not a composite, 1 is not a prime. So now, 4 is the smallest composite, correct. For example, we will say 16. 16 divided by 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 16 is a composite number. Everybody is clear what is composite, what is a prime? No, I want everyone to do this. Write first 10 prime numbers. Let's see who can write without mistake. Everybody write first 10 prime numbers. Let's see who all can write. First 10 prime numbers. Shlok, first 10 prime numbers. Two is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 8, 9, 10. No, 11 is prime number. 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Prime numbers. Then 31, 37, all those. Very easy. Write first 10 composite numbers now. I want to make sure everything is absolutely clear. Composite numbers, guys. Okay, Nithila. Now write first 10 composite numbers. Okay, Tapan. So first 10 composite numbers, guys. We have to be very careful when I say first 10 means first 10 only, not any 10. So start with 4, 6, 8. See, 2 is the only composite number which is even. 2 is the only prime number which is even, correct? 4, this class is going to be very interesting. We are going to do some fun. 4, 6, 8, 10. But what about 9? 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Then 12, 14, 15. How many I have done? Shlok, what are you doing? 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. How much I got? The 10 is over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 I did. Enough. Correct? Is everyone crystal clear about composite numbers and prime numbers? Are you ready for the challenge now? Are you ready for the challenge? Shlok, ask your doubt. No speed maths. M1, M2.
Sir, but 6 is by two numbers. Two numbers can reach 6.
Means 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. 4 numbers.
1,
6 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 3, 6 is divisible by 6.
so it's divisible by 4 numbers.
So any number which has more than 2 factors, which is divisible by more than 2.
Oh, sir, I thought you said only 2.
No. All. There are many. Like 128. There are so many factors. Okay? Tapan, fine. I saw their message. No problem.
1000?
Yes, these all are composite, right? Ask your doubt, M1, M2. Who has a doubt? Mudit or Maitreya?
2. M2, sir.
Ask me, Maitreya.
Sir, is this speed math?
Some part will do speed math, but this is a core mathematics. When you do elementary maths, we do some core mathematics. We'll do some shortcuts also, okay? But no, it's not a speed math course, okay? So now, challenge. So we know composite numbers, we know prime numbers. Let's do this question now. Everybody, I'll give only one chance. So think, and then tell me, okay? You just say true or false. You just say true or false. Okay? Sum of two prime numbers is always a prime number. Tell me true or false. Quickly. And you will say question number so that you will not forget. You will say 1. So it's a one question. One true or one false, like that you will say. Sum of two number is always a prime number. True or false? Write it. Sum of two prime number is always a prime number. True or false? Some people are saying false. Answer is false. How? Take two numbers. Say you taken 3. You taken 5. 8. 8 is not a prime number. Correct? So it is false. Next time everybody has to write. Question number 2. Sum of two prime numbers is always a composite number. Write 2 dot. True or false? Sum of two prime number is always a composite number. True or false? Okay, then. Explain, Maitreya, this. Is it true or false, Maitreya? Explain.
So it's false.
How? Explain with example.
1 plus 1 is not.
1 is not a prime number. We need two prime numbers, right?
Oh. 2 prime number. Yeah, so 14 plus.
14 is not a prime number.
Oh, sorry, it's a composite number.
Think over. See, you take your time, think and tell me. If it is false, give me example. If it is true, give me example. I'll come back to you. Nitila, your example. True or false? You are saying true. Explain.
No, sir, it is false. I understand.
Explain with the example, Nitila, whatever it is.
Okay, sir. I added 3 plus 2 and it came 5.
So it's a prime.
But it is a prime number. But you have asked the question, sum of two prime numbers is always a composite number. But some numbers, if we add,
You have to say like this. Nitila, see my board. You have to explain like that, sir. Both are possible because when you say 3 plus 2, 5, it's a prime. But when you say 3 plus 5, it's 8, composite. So we can never say it's always a composite. It can be prime or it can be composite. Correct?
okay, sir.
Good, Nitila. Understood, everybody? So answer is false. Maitreya, this is what I am expecting from you. Clear answer why it is. Everybody, when you answer, crystal clear how you are explaining. That's why I say the workshop. You will express yourself, okay? You learn how to express clearly. So, sum of two prime number is always a composite number, false. Because it can be prime also. Next. Question number 3. Product of two different prime numbers is always a composite number. Tell me true or false. You have to think a lot, guys. Product of two different prime numbers is always a composite number. True or false? Think, you'll get it. You have to write answer 3 dots. So I know answer. You're giving for answer for this one or previous one. False. Asta, explain. Let's see, everybody. Wait. Asta, what's the answer and why?
Sir, if I took 3 and 11, so it becomes 33, so it's not a prime.
It's a composite.
Yes.
So 3 into 11 is
True, sir.
33. So it is composite. Give me another
Yes, sir.
example.
9 into, or 8, 5 into 7. Composite. Sir, I made a mistake. I thought that it's a prime. So,
What is the answer finally?
true.
So you are saying true. Okay. What other says? Thank you, Asta. I'll explain. What other says? True or false? Everyone. Mansi, what do you say? Mansi, unmute and tell me. What do you say, Mansi? True or false?
True, sir.
True. How? Explain. Can you explain or no?
I can't explain, so I don't know.
No problem. Next. Say, Tanishka, will you explain? What is the answer and why?
So I think it's false.
It is false. Explain how.
So I multiplied 11 into 19 and the answer is 209. So it is giving a prime number. That's why.
No, how can you give prime? When you multiply 11 into 19, obviously you are getting factors 11 and 19, right? How it become prime?
Oh, sorry.
Right?
It's,
Guys,
I get
anyway, see guys, you will laugh when I tell answer now. You will say, oh sir, yes. Guys, obviously it will composite only. What composite number means? Composite numbers are numbers who are factors more than 2. 1 is always a factor. So we multiply 2 numbers, those 2 are factors only or not? Any number in the world. 2 into 3, 6. 2 and 3 are factors, extra factors. 3 into 5, 15. Tell me, do you find any case which is not composite? The definition itself is like this. Composite numbers are those numbers which is more than 2 factors. So 1 is a factor anyway, everywhere. And you multiply 2 numbers. So both those are factors or not? By definition itself it shows. Any 2 prime numbers you take, any 2 prime numbers, it has to be composite. Ask me M1, M2, who has a doubt? Understood now? Tell me.
Sir, this
Yes.
is not more like a doubt, but as far as what I think, so I thought this was true. As my side, M2 wrote false. I wrote true.
Explain.
So, it's because 3 times 11 anyway becomes a factor of 33.
That's what I'm saying, everybody. See, guys, it's all a definition. That's what you are saying, Mudit, right? See, when you multiply these 2 numbers, those are 2 factors, and 1 is already there. So you are multiplying, it's a factors anyway. So no, it cannot happen prime. It has to be composite. Any number in the world. Because you are multiplying 2 numbers. So those 2 factors are there. Plus 1 also is there. So it always have 2 more than 2 factors, right? Got everybody? Can you explain now, Mansi? Can you explain now, Mansi, that answer would be true? How? Because is it everyone clear what I said? Product of 2 different prime numbers is always a composite number. Yes, because you are multiplying 2 numbers, so those 2 are factors anyway. 35 means 5 and 7 and 1 also. So by definition itself, it is prime number. Tell me, is everyone clear or doubt? Is it CC? Because this is a very important question in terms of all of you. Is it crystal clear or doubt? Answer is true. Too easy. Swarali has a doubt. Yes, Swarali. Let me unmute you, Swarali. Ask your doubt, Swarali, now.
Sir, I didn't understood the question.
Question is true or false. Product of two different prime numbers is always a composite number. That is the question. You have to say true or false. This statement is true or false.
Sir, how do you know that we have to multiply by 3 into 12?
No, I don't know. You decide. You take any two prime numbers.
Okay,
Never
sir.
say 12. I never say 12.
Okay, sir.
Take any two prime numbers. Take any small two prime numbers.
2 into 5.
2 into 5. How much it is?
10.
Composite or prime?
Sir, it is composite.
Tell me, take another number.
3 into 7.
How much it is?
18.
21.
Yes, sir.
Prime or composite?
Sir, it's composite.
Why composite? Because 21 is factor as 3, 7 and 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So 3 and 7 are coming. So by you know that. You know, yes, sir. 20 is coming because of 3 and 7 only.
Yes,
so
sir.
any number will come from that only. So obviously it's
Composite.
always a composite, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Interesting question. Now next one. Fourth. Product of two different composite number. Can be a prime number. True or false? Product of two different composite number. True or false? Suki, explain. Suki, what do you say? Suki? Suki, are you there? Is audio working, Suki? Product of two different composite numbers can be a prime number. Looks like audio not working. Zaid, what do you say? Zaid, unmute and tell me.
Sir, it is false, sir, because it will be composite only.
Why? Because?
Sir, like some examples like 4 and 6, 4 into 6, 24, and 12 into 2, 24.
Yeah, it has to be composite because see, one composite is there. So there are factors. Then definitely another you multiply, it becoming more factors, right?
Yes, sir.
So always be a composite number. It cannot be prime anytime. Good. Clear, everybody? It has to be composite only. Next. What about this? Sum of two different composite numbers can be prime number. It's a very interesting question. Sum of two different composite number can be prime number. So M1, M2, you have to say true or false. False, false, false. M1, M2 saying Suki says false. False. What do you say, Tarishka?
Sir, false.
False. What about you, Asta?
False, sir.
False. See, most of you are thinking like false. You will be surprised. Oh, sir. You will be surprised. Tell me M1, M2. You are only saying, only you are the one who are saying true. Only you.
Sir, because here the question is can be a prime number.
Even if one possibility is there, it is true, right?
Yes, sir.
And I gave the example already. So guys, I never said always. A lot of you take a different example. But you have to find some example where you can say, oh, something plus something can become prime. See, 4 and 9 are composite. It becomes prime. So answer is true. It is not easy question, guys. It is challenge, right? It is true. You have to think very deep. Sum of two different composite numbers can be prime number. Agreed, everybody? Interesting? This kind of question you get in your Olympiad, your exam, competitive exam and all, because it tests your thinking power. How much you are clear in the concepts. Anybody, any doubt? Nithila, all good? What do you say, Nithila? It is true or not?
It is true, sir.
It is true because there are some examples.
Collapsed with the question only. First itself I found it is true, but then collapsed with the question.
That is what it is. Even see, Saksham has given another example, guys. Good. Can you find, guys, more example like this? 21 plus 8 gives you 29. Good. Write more examples. Very good, Saksham. Okay, Argya. Write everybody examples. If you see, find more examples. There are many more examples. Can you write something more? I want everybody to write one example more. No, 18 plus 9 is not. No, Zen. 2 is not a composite number. 9 plus 8, Nithila. Yes. See, if you think more, our mind is powerful, you know. Such amazing infinite powers. 9 plus 8 is correct, Nithila. Great. M1, M2. See, it's all about not 9 plus 6. 15 is not a prime. Can you think more? Saksham, 3 plus 8 is not. 3 is not a prime. 3 is a prime. Yeah, 8 plus 9 is correct, Swarali. There are so many more. There are so many more. There are so much more. Everybody think, I want everybody to write one more example. See, Nithila has done, M1, M2 has done. M1, M2, 42 plus 7 is not correct. 7 is a prime. We need two different composite numbers. Think about simple. Say you want 19. You get 19 like this. So first think of a composite, one a prime number, then see how you can get it. The best way is, like I thought 19 I need. So I start making sums. See? 16 plus 15 is correct, Zen. Very good. So think of a sub prime number and then see how you can make sum of two composite. No M1, M2, M4, 3 plus 6 not right. 35 plus 6 is right, Saksham. See, Saksham, we are doing amazing well. What about you, Asta, Tanishka, Mansi? Where are you? Where are your answers? I want you people to think more, everybody. 43, not 43. 43 is not correct. 35 plus 6. M1, M2, is 49 a prime number? No. Tanishka, very good example. 25 plus 18. Very good example, Tanishka. I expect one example from Asta and Mansi and Suki. 15 plus 8 is correct. Tanishka, 25 plus 18 is correct. Swarli, 29 plus 2 is not correct because we need two composite number. 29 is a prime. Right, Tanishka. There is no limit. Good. Understood, everybody? See, simplest example, which 10 plus 9. Argya, very good. See, simplest example, 10 plus 9, 19. Good, Argya. 25 plus 4, 29. Good. There are so many. So we'll move on now. This is good. So see how fun it was. Next. Let's do one more challenge. Write 2-digit prime numbers which on reversing the digits also remains prime number. Let's see how many you can write. Next challenge. Swarli is correct. 17 and 71 are prime. 96 is not correct. M1, M2 says 13. 13 is very good example. Mansi, 101 is correct, but I need 2 digits, but it's correct. 79. Is 97 a prime number? Guys, 2 digit only. 73 and 37 is a very good example. "91 is not prime, Nithila. 91 is not prime. Guys, write both the numbers so that you can check yourself. No M1, M2. You have to think more M1, M2. See, 92 is a prime number. Mansi, that's the amazing. I was expecting somebody to do that. See, guys, right? 11 is an amazing example. Swarali, is 16 a prime number? Then correct. We wrote that. What about 79, 97? Somebody said, right? Is 97 prime number or not? Swarli said, is it? Good, Swarali. See, we have examples. Good, clear everyone? So we have to think more. Next, now start the next thing. What are co-primes? What are co-primes? Anybody, any idea? Co-primes. Who will explain? Mudit will explain. Explain, Mudit.
So first thing, Matthew is joining from another computer or so. I am all alone. And
Who is this? Mudit, right?
yes, sir. I am only there. Matthew is from another
So
computer.
change the name, na, then.
Oh, okay, sir.
After this, first you tell me what is a coprime?
So a pair of prime numbers.
Not always. No. No. Not always. Coprimes are a pair of numbers who have only common factor as 1. For example, 3 and 5 are coprime. So as Mudit said, pair of prime numbers are definitely coprimes because there is nothing common between them except 1. But Mudit and everybody, if I say 3 and 10, are they coprime or not? Because 3 is a prime number, 10 is not a prime number. But is this pair a coprime? Yes. What is the common between 3 and 10? Only 1, right? So 3 and 10 are coprimes. So coprimes are those numbers, those pair of numbers who have only one common factor as 1. Nothing else common. Clear, everybody? Nithila, get it? So I'll ask you quickly one question to everybody on audio. We start with Nithila. Nithila, tell me 10 and 15, coprime or not?
Yes, sir.
10 and 15.
No.
No, because the common factor is 5 also.
Yes.
So 10 and 15 are not coprime. Good. Saksham. Unmute. 8
Sir.
and 9. 8 and 9. Are they coprimes?
8 and 9.
8 and 9. 8 and 9. Are they coprimes?
I have 8 and 9. That means, yes.
Yes, because common factor is only 1. So everybody, I am going to ask a question on chat. You will answer on the... I'll ask you a question on the whiteboard. Everybody answer on chat, yes or no. Are these coprime? You will write answer like A dot. So I'll know which answer. 10 and 11. Right, yes or no. Say write A yes or A no, like that. Keep writing, guys. Everybody keep writing. Five question I gave. A first one is, everybody keep writing. I'll ask you randomly. I'll give my answers. Shlok, you have a question? Ask me.
Sir, I have a class and I need to leave the meeting.
Okay, you can say this on chat only.
Homework for today?
Shlok, you can say this on chat itself. No need to unmute, okay?
Yes, sir.
Homework will be after the class.
In 5-10 minutes, and I need to leave.
No, we'll give.
But
I'll
may
give.
I get the homework?
I'll give homework in next 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first one, coprime, yes. Second one, coprime, yes. Third one, coprime, no, because 8 and 12 has common as 4 also. 3 and 6, no. 10 and 20, no. So only First two are co-primes. C, D, E are not. Got everybody? Any doubt? Prime numbers, co-prime numbers, composite numbers, and do the challenges. Argya, those pair of numbers which have only one bit common in between. Argya, unmute please.
Yes.
So between 5 and 7, what is the common factor? 5 and 7 both can be divided only by 1 only, right?
Yes, sir.
But you see 8 and 12. 8 factors, I will do tomorrow factors. 8 can be divided by 2 also, 12 can be divided by 2 also. So they have more factors in common,
Yes,
right?
sir.
That's why 8 and 12 is not a
Yes,
co-prime. Co-prime are only those numbers which have between them only one factor, 1.
Which is
Only 1 as the factor.
okay, sir.
Tomorrow when we learn factors, we learn this more, okay? Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So write down the homework now, everybody. I'll put a homework for everybody. Wait. Wait, guys. I'll write a homework for you now. EM2. Prime, composite, co-prime, okay? Write prime numbers between 10 and 30. Write all prime numbers, okay? Question number 2. Write all composite numbers between 20 and 30. 20 and 40. Write all prime numbers ending with digit 1. Write all 2-digit prime numbers, okay? Ending with digit 1. Means unit digit, okay? Then see very carefully what I'm going to do. 4 to 7 are true or false. True or false. Give example 2. Now question number 4 is wait. Question number 4 is this. So guys, I'll tell you when to take a screenshot. You want, you can note down if till then. Question 5. Sum of two prime numbers can never be a prime number. Question 5. Product of two composite numbers can be prime number. I want examples, guys, okay? Question number 6. Sum of a prime number and a composite number can be prime. And question 7th is difference of two composite numbers can never be prime. It will test your lot of your thinking power. I need examples. Question 8 is 12 and 17 co-prime. Give reason. Question 9 is 73, not 73, 79, a prime number. Tomorrow we'll discuss all this, how to find out. And question 10, write pair of 3 co-prime numbers using the digits 1, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay, this is the homework, guys. Take a photo now. This will check a lot of your thinking power about prime number, composite number, and co-prime. I want you to be super solid because tomorrow we are going to discuss factors. You have to be super solid about prime numbers and non-prime numbers because that is what we require. Okay, got it? M2, M1, everyone. Ask me anybody any question. Anyone, any question? Take a snapshot and audio is open for everybody. You can unmute and...
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, the eighth question I didn't understood.
Is 12 and 7 co-prime?
Sir,
I explained you co-prime, right? 12 and 7, pair of 12 and 7 I'm asking, right?
Yes, sir.
Pair of 12 and 17 a co-prime or not?
Just
What is co-prime number, Swarali?
I'll check, sir. One minute.
No, tell me now first. What is co-prime number?
Sir, the pairs of numbers who have only common factor as 1.
Correct. You have to check like that, okay?
Okay, sir.
What do you mean by give reason in the 8th question?
Yes, sir. That's
You have to give a reason if it is co-prime, no co-prime. You have to tell if it is not a co-prime, you tell the reason why this is not co-prime. If it is co-prime, you tell why it is co-prime. That's it.
Okay, understood.
Like for example, if something is not co-prime, you will say, oh, no, this is not co-prime because this common factor is this also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Anyone else? Zen?
No,
Sheila?
sir. No, sir.
Thank you then. Bye-bye.
Sir, can you please take the picture of the homework 1 minute, sir?
Bye.
Yes, you can take it. Lot of noise. I have to mute again. Done? So thank you everyone. Bye-bye.